Hi guys, this is Doris from Healthy Tasty Meals. If you're new here, you're very much welcome. Please hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, you're very much welcome. Thank you for your support. So today I want to show you guys how I made this delicious peanut or groundnut butter, and also the nutritional benefits of this delicious peanut butter. And for more information on the nutritional benefits, I'm going to leave the link to that article in the description button. Please check that out. So for this peanut butter, you will need your groundnut. All you need to do is to roast it on fire the way I'm doing until it becomes so crispy and strong. After you're done roasting your groundnut, just spread it on a plain surface like this and let it get cold. Maybe you wait for like 2 to 5 minutes, as long as your hand can manage it. Don't leave it too long so that the groundnut doesn't get too much air and get more stronger or less crispy. So to peel off the skin, just get the groundnut, rub it on your palms like this. Make sure you squeeze it as many times as you can until you notice that the skins have started separating from the groundnut. Make sure you get all the skins out of the groundnut as you can. Groundnuts are excellent plant-based source of protein, fats, healthy fats, vitamins and minerals. So try to incorporate it in your meal. So here I am, I'm done peeling the skin. It's looking so neat now. The next is to transfer it into my grinder and just grind it for like as long as it takes to get it very smooth and put it in a butter form. Okay, so groundnuts are very rich in nutrients, guys. If you haven't started eating groundnuts and you don't have the allergies, please start eating it. So here is it. I'm going to put it on my grinder and let's watch and see how it's grind. Here is it. So at first it might be in a powdered form, but don't be in a hurry to put it out. Just continue grinding it until you notice, okay, you can see that the oil is coming out, because it's this oil that finally turns it into butter. So you continue grinding. You see how it's moving in the grinder. So continue grinding it until it's totally smooth anyway. So let's take a look. Okay, here is still a bit seedy. It's not totally smooth, but this someone can still leave it like that. So I still grind it a second time, and you can see now how smooth and creamier it looks more than the first one I showed you. So this shows that it's completely done grinding. So everything has turned into butter. So the next you want to transfer it into your container. You must not use a bottle container like this, since you are not taking it to the market. So whatever container you have, so long as it's airtight cover, simply transfer your peanut butter into it. And here is mine. So it's looking so beautiful, guys, so attractive. And the joy of this is that you made it at home. You are very much sure of what you are taking. Pure groundnut butter, no added sweetener, no added thickener. It's just completely from groundnuts. So here I'm taking a portion. You can actually eat your peanut butter with all kind of snacks, vegetables. And this is cucumber slice. I just want to have this with cucumber slice, and this is a carrot slice. It tastes really amazing eating it with this vegetables. You can still use garden egg. So just give it a try. You will find the best way to eat your peanut butter. Sometimes I kind of try to spread them on cucumber slices like this, so that I don't have to be touching each one I want to eat. It's just to carefully spread it on all of them, so it can be very easy for me to eat. So still on the nutritional content, peanut is very in calories, carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats, and another interesting thing, it has omega-3 and omega-6, and it's zero trans fat. All these nutrients are very much good for your body and for the heart. For its vitamins and mineral content, peanut is very rich in vitamin A and E, and vitamin A is very good for the sight, and vitamin E too is still good for the body. So sometimes I still use my bread, as you can see. Now back to the nutritional benefits, and the minerals content is very rich in folate and biotin, manganese, and so many other rich nutrients that we can find in groundnuts. So if your body is not allergic to groundnuts, consider adding it to your diet. And even if you want to lose weight, though groundnut is very rich in healthy fats, studies have not shown its contribution to the weight gain of an individual from researches carried out so far. So you can just eat a moderate quantity and you will be okay. So as you can see, this peanut butter is purely organic. See how it's looking. And like I said, the good thing about this DIY peanut butter is that you are sure of what you are eating, not the one you get from over the counter, and some persons are not just interested on how what they produce affect humans' health. So this time you're getting it from your own very kitchen and by yourself. So for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell so that you don't miss out, and don't forget to like this video, leave your comments at the comment section below, and I will see you on our next upload. Bye.